In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google on the Nintendo Switch 2. First go to System Settings, press A, then scroll down to Internet and then we select Internet Settings, A. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, this one, and then we need to go to change settings. And here what you want to do is you want to change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. And then what we need to do is we need to fill in here the primary DNS 045.055.142.122. Now when you've done that, click on save, connect. And now it is gonna say that it is not gonna work. Yes, but that is totally fine, guys. So if you just click on OK, now it is gonna send us to Google. So you can choose DuckDuckGo. I'm just gonna choose Google. And now guys, we are literally in Google. So this is how you could use Google on the Nintendo Switch 2.